The Mao Market is open today at Wangkai Angom Laikai United Youth Club in Wangkai Angom Laikai, Imphal East District. In this connection, Mao Imphal Coordination Committee has urged the concerned authority to listen to their issues so as to build stronger bond between hills and valley. It also drew the attention of government in opening a permanent Mao Market shed in Imphal. A joint team of Commando, Thaubal and 26 Assam Rifle under the overall supervision of Dr. S. Ibomcha Singh, Superintendent of Police Thaubal, arrested a self-styled second lieutenant of PLA from Yairpok Sifai Laikai near Community Hall last evening. The arrested cadre is identified as Laishram Sanatomba Meitei, alias Sunil, alias Tingkhomba, age 32, son of late Tombi Meitei of Yairpok Bishnunaha Mayai Laikai. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) at its board meeting yesterday decided to transfer a whopping rupees 1.76 lakh crore to the centre, including interim dividend of rupees 28,000 crores paid in February, which is likely to address the precarious fiscal situation of the government to a great extent. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal made a call to make Jal Shakti Abhiyan, a campaign for water reservation and water security, a success. He was addressing a stakeholders' consultation on mainstreaming sustainable urban water management. Australian writer and political commentator Yang Hengjun, who is under detention since January this year, has been formally arrested on suspicion of espionage, media reports said on Tuesday. The 54-year-old Yang had been under investigation for harming China's national security and was arrested on August 23 on suspicion of committing crimes of espionage, according to report.